Hey, you know what? I see it lots during inspections. I see that there's fire exits blocked, fire exit signs not working, and fire extinguishers incorrectly displayed, or that there's no maintenance on them, etc. Life safety devices and life safety processes are a big part of the inspection process, and they're a big part of health and safety in the workplace. Let's have a quick look at a few examples here of some blocked fire exits. Now, if you notice with each one of them, it's needlessly, a lot of times it's stock and inventory. And there's a lot of different reasons why this occurs. Number one is indifference. I've heard it lots during inspections when I've tried to take people to task. And I get asked things like, well, when's the last time we had a fire? Or, you know what? I've never seen us have a fire here. Heck, I haven't even heard the fire alarm. All of these would make good epitaphs, really. Because fire exits blocked, like these ones that we've seen here, this is going to lead to disaster, plain and simple, if a fire does occur. So there's a few things that you can do as either a safety professional or a health and safety representative, or just a person that's tasked with doing inspections. Number one is make sure that your inspection report is labeled correctly. Too often when I've reviewed inspections, I see that a blocked fire exit gets like a C hazard or a low hazard rating or whatever. Make it a high hazard rating. In fact, the fines that occur because of blocked fire hazards can be quite extensive. So realistically, if the fire department is treating it like a high hazard, you should too. Number two is make sure that management and the people that are in control of the cash understand exactly how much the cost could be if a fire does occur or a fire inspector does come and know that the fire exit is blocked, especially if it's a repeat offense. And finally, last thing, three, try to educate the people, try to get them involved. And even say, why don't we work around, see if there's a way that we can move this inventory or avoid stacking stuff in front of the fire exit. A lot of times when you involve others and get them right directly involved within the process, you know what, then they take ownership and then the process becomes a success. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick way to fix a workplace fail involving blocked fire exits. I want you to do me a favor. Until we see each other again, think safety, talk safety, and do safety wherever you end up. Take care. Bye for now.